Long ago, there was a time called the Guild Wars. A time when guilds battled each other for resources, territory and power, dominating the four corners of the earth. That time has come to pass. An old enemy emerges in our time, threatening our existence and our planet, consuming the life force of Earth and her Earthlings. It grows in power each day. The time has come for the guilds to join forces and battle the enemy. The time has come for the guild wars. Welcome to life. Life is a multiplayer role-playing reality. The best game so far, as it seems we are all playing it. The world you are currently experiencing is called Earth, or Gaia. There are various beings living on this planet called Earthlings. An Earthling is any being that inhabits Earth. These are plants, insects, fish, reptiles, animals, humans, etc. The form in which you can experience Gaia is based on certain variables and the evolution of your consciousness. The human body form is divided into several races, each with unique characteristics, positive and negative traits. However, progress in life depends mostly on player skill and not on racial traits. You are here to play out your destiny and discover that which remains a mystery. You are here to have fun, learn, create, share and evolve, keeping in mind that just like school, learning and evolving isn't always fun and pleasant, yet necessary. Gaia is a universal school for Earthlings and her visitors. You are here on Earth at this time for a reason. Gaia is a living, dynamic world which is constantly changing. It has been through many cycles and changes, and has had many visitors and influences. These changes and influences create the world's story, the history of Gaia. Our planet is amidst the turmoil, and we are fast running out of time. Science predicts that many ecological and economical systems will collapse within the next 20 years. If one of the core systems of our planet collapses, it will lead to a chain reaction of point-of-no-return events. Should this happen, humanity will face the next great extinction. However, these problems are still fixable. It takes only 10 years to change the surface of our planet and reintroduce the natural planetary equilibrium. But we have to start now, and we have to work together. Gaia calls upon you to wake up, take responsibility as an Earthling, and make the difference. You, as a character on Earth, have your own personal story. The choices you make and the paths you take in life affect your personal story. You also affect other characters' stories, and therefore the world's story, the history of Gaia. Your personal story has somehow led you here, to the open source Guild project. It is a project that is designed to provide people with systems, structures, templates, information and technologies to be able to more easily and readily create sustainable communities, businesses, and other projects. It supports permaculture systems, community dynamics, educational systems, sustainability, and land rehabilitation. We support the open source and Linux community. All documents and content are created with free and open source software, both content and code, and can be found on GitLab. One of the projects of OS Guilds is Guildbook, an open source community media platform. The International Guild Network is a community networking platform. It allows guilds and members to communicate, collaborate, and assist each other. There is a registry of volunteers, guilds, events, and projects, each having their own profiles. The forums are the main method of communication, with chats being secondary. The Guild Market is an online trading portal for guild surplus products and produce. It can be seen as an online community market system for locals to connect to for their goods, reducing reliance on commercial shopping and improving local support. We process and showcase all the statistics that we have, and are transparent about how we use and collect data. Modes is an input-output energy evaluation system and provides a foundational structure for the administration and management of guilds and communities in all their activities and interactions. An extension to the mode system is the modes library. It is a sort of meta-wiki, where content is simplified and summarized for easy referencing, and provide links to external sources for the full content. Using this meta-info technique, we have created a plant database. It serves as a summarized reference point for commonly found plants, assisting reforestation, research, and sustainable farming. While there are many books out there on all types of plants, the O-Skills Plant Database focuses on simplified, summarized information for easy reference. The database is divided and categorized to allow for extensive filtering options, allowing you to quickly find what you need. All plant entries follow a specific structure for displaying information based on their meta. Under the land section, you will find permaculture, polyculture, and other useful information. Simple things like watering, maintenance, harvesting, and seeding. The food section focuses on nutrition, diets, to the cooking process. We have a unique recipe database that is still under development. The text section is here to familiarize the layperson with the very deep world of technology that runs our world. We love Linux. We promote and encourage users to use Linux as an everyday operating system. Another project is the Guild AP. It uses the LAMP stack along with WordPress to create an easily programmable interactive web platform. Visitors are able to communicate and interact with your guild more dynamically. Volunteers are able to see tasks, and administrators are able to manage events, tasks, milestones, and finances. This integrates very nicely with the Raspberry Pi, a tiny 5-volt computer on which the Guild AP is hosted. It also allows connecting sensors, which can then be showcased on the platform. The project is far from complete. It should be reviewed, edited, simplified, and perfected. The contents are provided as is. What you make of it is up to you. Many features are still not working, and the project is under heavy development. We have released it as a public beta, and we need your support to take it to the next level. Due to the open source nature of the project, we encourage collaboration for a common goal. This project is shaped and fine-tuned by the community. From testing to coding, there is still a lot to be done, but this is a good place to start. I do apologize for the quality of the audio. This is what I had to use to create the video. Oh, and by the way, Happy New Year! Welcome to 2020, the second decade. We have officially stepped into the future.